The hardest things are usually the best. If it's easy, leave it to somebody else.
Come on! Kick! Kick! One more like that. Come on, don't give a fuck with the lines. Just hold the spot. Hold the spot. Hold it. Good, Sammy.
I mean, there's a reason people don't squat. It's hard. It's hard.
And now it's leg day. The most dangerous muscle to train is legs. Because if you can leave leg day walking, you didn't do legs.
Nothing left. Nothing left.
So I'm not gonna leave until I either throw up or I have to be pushed out in a wheelchair. So.
Push! Yep! Come on! Come on! Fucking it on! Hey! Pick it! Hold it! Hold it!
You've got to do heavy weights for a lot of reps. I'll repeat that. You've got to do heavy weights for a lot of reps.
Yes! Come on!
You've got to do time and tension. Time and tension are the two key factors.
Fuck! Fuck!
For all you fucking pussies out there that are saying your legs don't grow, I promise you if I looked at your squat, you're not going all the way down. So you get that by lifting heavy ass weight, picking it up and putting it down over and over again. Because it should be boring. There shouldn't be anything fancy.
5, 4, punch out. 3. There we go!
Easy! Yes! Come on!
Come on!
Come on, you got it!
Come on! 2! Yeah! Come on! Down and up! Yeah! Come on! Come on!
On!
Okay, one more game, we're done. Come on! Show me! Yes!
Yeah, one more! One more!
Slow. Drive!
Come on! Your ticket to the fucking O. Let's go! 7, 6. Come on, we're almost home.
Oh my God. Fuck.